My name is Ben Healy. I've been working in the hospitality industry in some way, shape or form for my entire life. My father worked in the industry before me and my grandfather before him. So ever since I was a kid, I was exposed to it in some way or another. Primarily, Baristafy is about people and relationships. That's what always comes first. The product is second to that, really. So whether it's a relationship with the customers or a relationship with your suppliers, that's what comes first.
With Baristafy, because it is a team, I think it's very important that everybody respects the person they work with and respects their job. So from that point of view, then that builds a very good, solid team working together, and you can rely on each other, and they can all focus on their job and allow you to focus on yours.
So we can get in right in at the ground level. We can come down, see an empty premises, we can design, consult, then we install, maintain, and then you have your breakdown.
Again, working with the customer, it's not just handing over a piece of equipment or a service. You work with them and respect their business the same way you respect their own. And again, then that all helps to accomplish a good customer relation.
Whenever the phone rang, no matter what day of the week, no matter what time, my dad always answered it. I didn't understand that so much as a child, but then as I got older, I realized the phone ringing is person on the other end who's facing a genuine issue that could be really important to them. And a lot of the time you can solve their issues 30 to 60 seconds on the phone for them, and it makes their day 10 times better.
You have to be there for people when they need you. It's not when it suits you, it's when they need help that you have to act and resolve the problem very, very quickly. It's built on service, built on support, and that's how it works. And if you don't have that, it just falls apart very quickly. You have the support. We don't just sell machines, we support them and we support the system. And that's what we've always done everywhere, from bringing us the key to your shop. We'll design it for you. We'll suggest the right equipment that'll fit in for what you need. As I said earlier, 40 years experience. If you're going to order stuff online and you're looking at a stainless steel box, it's completely different. We're here in Cork. We can support people within a couple of hours of here, very easy. We've 5 or 7 technicians, a few in training, and we're here to help anyone that needs us.
Well, every customer is different, and I don't think we'd get very far if we weren't able to completely tailor the experience to every customer.
I think it's the big team that's behind them. It's not just the staff, it's our suppliers, the manufacturers. We have an excellent working relationship with all of these people and any suppliers we deal with. So when you ring Baristafy, or when we come into your business, we're working with you, not just selling you a piece of equipment or servicing it. We're working with you.
So the showroom is the only one of its kind really in Ireland. We've a 2-story showroom here, and Baristafy is on the upper story. You can see all the equipment working, have a cup of coffee, have a chat, discuss your needs, and then maybe see the machine that you're interested in action. Anything really related to coffee that you can buy, we have also in the showroom for you to see, touch, use, and experience it in person.